That's not a small burg, that's for sure. I think ahead of us is a pedestrian zone. Oh, fast food indeed. It seems to stretch on for a bit. This pedestrian zone is good. A cool little square. You may or may never see me on one of those tourist trains. Oh, look at that. It's like San Francisco. That's a climb. So far, I would say that it's a really livable town. Bearing in mind that today is what, Wednesday? It should be in the middle of repose, huh? Do you reckon? God, there's another huge climb. That's a cute area, isn't it? I like it, I have to say, as the city boy. It's nice buildings, nice little municipal park. This park actually, I think, continues on further on across the next road, and it goes on for hundreds of meters in either direction before you hit the promenade. I don't think there's much to be seen on the promenade, it's just walkway and a marina. But we'll see. Yeah, it looks shut. I really wanted to go. Park over there, promenade over here, and the port over here. Had you asked me if La Spezia port was sort of big enough in the world for, you know, taking on larger craft, I would have said no, I don't think so, but I would have been wrong. There you go. Don't know which liner. Oh, no, Royal Caribbean. You can see the little insignia there, slap bang in the middle of your screen. So there is some stuff on the marina as well. It's not completely bare. Really liking this Spezia so far. It's a cute little marina area. More industrial stuff, I suppose. Money making side of things. It's no Genoa, but then again, Genoa is already in Liguria and it doesn't have to be a Genoa. Industrial stuff there, logistics, transport. There's some nice little yachts around here. I just can't remember where I parked mine. Can you remember what space we were in, Niamh? It's around here somewhere. Nice enough marina this. I'm surprised we haven't been arrested yet. Seeing as we're actually down south in Liguria, we thought we'd stop off at Porto Venere. I didn't realise it was another UNESCO heritage site, but it is. And we've driven through a few towns, noting the Spezia from high up above, which is a spectacular sight, and driving through La Grazia, which we might drive through along the coast on the way back. We drove around the back of it, but the actual seafront looks lovely as well. Anyway, first of all, Porto Venere. It's a little bit of a walk in from the roadside parking. Look how pretty. That's that little building out there. Not too sure where that ferry is going to. Probably La Spezia. And Porto Venere. Isn't that lovely? What a cool little place. Big place. Big-ish place. Maybe. And here's what I came to see. Everything else is a huge bonus. Including that lovely little island. I think it's connected. Beautiful looking. It's really nice here on this road. I thought it was small enough though for a cargo ship. Here. If it gotten any bigger I would have called Spaceballs.
There's nothing wrong with that. Tripping, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? All my life you don't